Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Applied Thermodynamics by Mekanki with Dr. Abid Hussain. In this lecture, we are solving problem 3.10. So, statement is a certain perfect gas is compressed reversibly from 1 bar and 17 degrees centigrade to a pressure of 5 bar in a perfectly thermally insulated cylinder. The final temperature being 77 degrees centigrade. The work done on the gas during the compression is 45 kJ per kg. Calculate gamma, CV, R and the molar mass of the gas. First we write given data. So a certain perfect gas is compressed reversibly from 1 bar and 17. It means that initial pressure is 1 bar and initial temperature T1 is equal to 17 degrees centigrade. Convert this degree centigrade into Kelvin. So 17 plus 273 Kelvin is equal to 290 Kelvin. And compressed to a pressure of 5 bar, and compression pressure is increases. So pressure increased from 1 bar to 5 bar. And a perfectly thermally insulated cylinder. Perfectly thermally insulation mean process is adiabatic. No heat gain and loss in the process. Process is adiabatic. The final temperature being 77 degrees centigrade, T2 is equal to 77 degrees centigrade. Convert this pressure into Kelvin, which is equal to 77 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 350 Kelvin. And the work done on the gas during the compression is work input is equal to 45 kilojoule per kilogram. Calculate gamma, CV, R and the molar mass. First we find gamma. So from the adiabatic process, T1 divided by T2 is equal to P1 divided by P2 gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So T1 is given to us as 290 Kelvin divided by T2 is equal to 350 Kelvin is equal to P1 is equal to 1 bar, P2 is equal to 5 bar and gamma is needed unknown. So 290 divided by 350 is equal to 0.82857 is equal to 1 divided by 5 is equal to 0.2 and to gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. So as gamma minus 1 divided by gamma is unknown and exponent. So to solve this type of equation, take log on both sides. Take natural log on both sides. So natural log of 0.82857 is equal to natural log of 0.2 power gamma minus 1 divided by gamma. Natural log of 0.82857 is equal to minus 0.18805, which is equal to, according to logarithmic law, gamma minus 1 divided by gamma, we can write this in coefficient, natural log of 0.2. So this implies that minus 0.18805 is equal to gamma minus 1 divided by gamma, and natural log of 0.2 is equal to minus 1.6094. So gamma minus 1 divided by gamma is equal to, simplify this equation, so gamma minus 1 divided by gamma is equal to 0.116844. And if we further simplify this equation, so gamma minus 1 is equal to 0.116844 gamma, or gamma into 1 minus 0.116844 is equal to 1, or gamma into 0.883156 is equal to 1, or gamma is equal to 1.1323. This is the answer of gamma. Now we are finding R. So as we know that adiabatic work is equal to W is equal to P2 V2 minus P1 V1 divided by gamma minus 1. P2 V2 is equal to RT2, P1 V1 is equal to RT1 divided by gamma minus 1. R is common in these, so take R common, R into T2 minus T1 divided by gamma minus 1. As we know that W work done is equal to 45 kilojoule per kilogram is equal to, R is unknown, T2 is equal to 350 Kelvin minus T1 is 290 Kelvin divided by gamma minus 1. The value of gamma is 0.1323. So simplify this equation, so R is equal to 45 kilojoule per kg multiply by 0.1323 divided by 60 Kelvin. 350 minus 250 is equal to 60 Kelvin. Kelvin will be cancelled. So R is equal to, simplify this equation, so the value of R is 0.099 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now we are finding the value of CV. As we know that the general equation of CV is CV is equal to R divided by gamma minus 1. The value of R is 0.099 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Gamma is equal to 0.13 1.1323 minus 1. This is simple calculation. So CV is equal to 0.748 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and molar mass is equal to molar gas constant divided by ideal gas constant. The value of molar gas constant is 8.314 kilojoule per kilomole per Kelvin divided by the value of R is 0.099 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Kilojoule will be cancelled with kilojoule, and Kelvin will be cancelled with Kelvin. So molar mass is equal to 83.97 kilogram per kilomole, and this is the final answer. And for more videos, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.